welcome. My name is Theatric. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Hit that like button and that notification bell so you can stay up to date. There's a lot of ways you can make money online. You can start your own business, create your own website, sell products online. You can start your own social media page like a YouTube page. You can do drop shipping, affiliate marketing. This is another way. And I'm in the mood. do it. We wanna go pursue it. This is happy music. Throw it back there, fluid. Haters excluded, but you included. Keep so into it. Girl, it's like Cupid. I stepped in the club, everybody show me love. Fellas give me daps, ladies give me hugs. Throw them some grub, take a full of bottles, coddles, now models. Dance to the dance floor, everybody follow. Follow me. Follow me. Expression on your face, joy to the world is all it takes. Windows still full of snowflakes, silver bells on the Christmas tree. All I need is you here with me. I love how the flame on your skin gleams. Christmas time on my street, it's where my whole existence. Experience of the actual Christmas, surrounded by joyful spirits. I gotta get on the wish list. It's where my whole existence. Experience of the actual Christmas, surrounded by joyful spirits. I gotta get on the wish list. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, in your city, giving gifts and giving gifts and Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, in your city, giving gifts and giving gifts. I put you on my wish list, wish list. If you're liking the video, smash that like button. Let's get back to it. Put you on my wish list, wish list, wish list. Get it risen.